Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to install the CH314 driver for Arduino or other microcontrollers in order to work. First, open your browser and type install CH314 driver. Click the result from SparkFun Learn and scroll down until you find a download button. So here it is, we're gonna download by clicking on this button. An executable file will be downloaded. We will open it, then give permission by clicking yes. Then first go in install in order to make sure there is no driver installed. No drivers, then I will click on install. Wait for some seconds and the driver has been successfully installed. Now you can use your Arduino or any microcontroller without any problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.